Imagine a cosmic secret so vast, so mind-bending, it could rewrite everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. Picture this: millions of interstellar objects, rogue asteroids, comets, and fragments from distant stars, hiding right here in our solar system, lurking in the shadows of space. Yes, you heard that right. Our cosmic backyard might be teeming with alien visitors, and we're only just beginning to unravel the shocking truth. This isn't science fiction. This is the cutting-edge reality unveiled by astrophysicists in 2025, and it's about to blow your mind. Let's dive into the heart of this discovery. Our solar system, the one we've studied for centuries, isn't the isolated bubble we once imagined. It's more like a bustling cosmic highway, with material from other star systems zooming through, some of it even sticking around. These interstellar objects, chunks of rock, ice, and dust not bound to any star, could number in the millions drifting through the icy fringes of our solar system. They're not just passing through either. Some might be parked in the Oort cloud, that mysterious comet-filled shell encircling our sun. And the kicker? They might have come from the closest star system to ours, a triple-star powerhouse just 4.37 light-years away. Why does this matter? Because it's a game-changer. For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, wondering what secrets they hold. Now we're learning that pieces of those stars, actual fragments from alien systems, could be right here, floating in our cosmic neighborhood. It's like finding a message in a bottle from another world, except this bottle might be a 100-meter-wide asteroid, or a comet older than Earth itself. The thought alone sends chills down your spine. What stories do these objects carry? What mysteries about the universe could they unlock? Let's paint the picture. The discovery hinges on a groundbreaking computer model, one that simulates the chaotic dance of space objects not just in our solar system, but also in that nearby triple-star system. Picture three suns, locked in a gravitational tango, their massive planets slingshotting comets and asteroids into the void. Some of these cosmic castaways, kicked out with just the right speed and trajectory, could make the long journey to us. The model suggests that if this neighboring system behaves anything like ours, and there's every reason to believe it does, it's been firing off interstellar objects for billions of years. And guess what? A fraction of those objects might be chilling in our Oort cloud right now, waiting to be found. Here's where it gets wild. The numbers are staggering. We're talking about 1 million objects larger than a football field, just hanging out in the outer reaches of our solar system. 1 million. That's not a typo. These aren't tiny pebbles either. Some could be kilometers across, relics from a star system that's been evolving since the dawn of time. And the craziest part? This number could grow. That nearby star system is inching closer to us, and in about 28,000 years, it'll make its closest approach. When that happens, the floodgates could open, sending even more interstellar material our way. It's like the universe is planning a cosmic housewarming party, and we're all invited. Now, you might be wondering, how did we miss this? The truth is, spotting interstellar objects is like finding a needle in a haystack the size of a galaxy. Our solar system is enormous, and the Oort cloud is so far away, trillions of miles from the sun, that even our most powerful telescopes struggle to see what's out there. But we've had clues. Back in 2017, astronomers spotted the first confirmed interstellar object, a bizarre cigar-shaped visitor that zoomed through our solar system at breakneck speed. It was small, red, and unlike anything we'd ever seen. Scientists estimate it was between 100 and 1,000 meters long, tumbling through space like a cosmic gymnast. That object was a wake-up call, proof that interstellar visitors are real, and they're probably more common than we thought. So what does this mean for us? Are these objects dangerous? Should we be worried about a rogue comet slamming into Earth? Here's the reassuring part. The models suggest there's no cause for alarm. Even if millions of interstellar objects are out there, they're a drop in the bucket compared to the billions of asteroids and comets already in our solar system. The chances of one hitting Earth are astronomically low, pun intended. In fact, the models estimate that only about 1 in a trillion meteors that burn up in our atmosphere might come from that nearby star system. These would be tiny, no bigger than a grain of sand, posing no threat at all. So rest easy. The sky isn't falling yet. But let's not downplay the emotional weight of this discovery. This isn't just about numbers or computer models, it's about humanity's place in the cosmos. For so long, we've thought of our solar system as a closed book, a self-contained story with the sun, the planets, and us. Now we're realizing it's more like a chapter in a much larger saga, one that connects us to other stars, other worlds, other possibilities. Every interstellar object out there is a piece of that bigger story, a reminder that we're not alone in the universe, not in a sci-fi little green men way, but in a profound cosmic sense. The galaxy is a web, and we're all tangled up in it. Let's zoom out for a moment. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, and in all that time, stars have been born, lived, and died. They've forged elements in their fiery hearts, elements that make up you, me, and everything we see. When a star system like the one next door ejects material, it's sharing a piece of its history. Those asteroids and comets drifting in our Oort cloud. They could carry chemical signatures from another star's planets. Maybe even hints of ancient environments we can't yet imagine. Studying them could teach us not just about our neighbors, but about the origins of life itself. What if one of these objects holds the key to understanding how life began on Earth, or whether it exists elsewhere? The possibilities are electrifying. Now, here's the shocking twist. These interstellar objects might not just be hiding in the Oort cloud. Some could be closer, much closer. The models suggest that a handful of meteors from that triple star system might be entering Earth's atmosphere every year. These are tiny, microscopic even, but think about it. Every time you see a shooting star, there's a chance, just a chance, that it's a visitor from another star. It's like the universe is winking at us, whispering, "There's more out there." Can you imagine standing under a starry sky, watching a meteor streak across, and knowing it might have traveled light years to reach you? It's enough to make your heart race. This discovery also flips the script on how we think about astronomy. For centuries, we've studied the heavens as if each star system were its own little island. First, we thought Earth was the center of everything. Then we learned we're just one planet orbiting one star in a vast galaxy. Now we're seeing that even star systems aren't isolated. They're connected, sharing material like neighbors, swapping stories over a fence. The galaxy isn't a collection of separate dots. It's a living, breathing network, constantly exchanging pieces of itself. And we're part of that exchange, whether we realize it or not. Let's get real for a second. This kind of discovery doesn't just change science. It changes us. It forces us to confront how small we are, yet how connected we are to something so much bigger. Imagine being one of the first humans to learn that pieces of another star system are floating in our backyard. It's humbling, but it's also exhilarating. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and we're only scratching the surface. Every new telescope, every new model, every new idea brings us closer to truths we can't yet fathom. And that's what makes this so emotional. It's not just about asteroids or comets. It's about hope, curiosity, and the relentless human drive to explore. So what's next? Scientists are already gearing up to hunt for these interstellar objects. New telescopes, like the ones coming online in 2025, are more powerful than ever, capable of peering into the distant Oort cloud and beyond. Space missions are being planned to chase down comets and asteroids, to sample them, to bring back pieces of the cosmos for us to study. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find an object that tells us something so profound it changes humanity forever. Maybe it'll carry evidence of alien chemistry, or clues to how stars form, or even signs of something we can't yet imagine. The future is wide open, and it's thrilling. But let's not get lost in the future just yet. Right now, this discovery is a call to action. It's a reminder to look up, to wonder, to dream. It's a chance to feel the awe of being alive in a universe that's so much stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. So tonight, when you step outside and see the stars, think about those millions of interstellar objects out there, silent travelers from distant suns. Think about the journey they've made across light years, across eons, to end up here. And think about what it means for us. Tiny specks on a pale blue dot, yet part of a cosmic story that's still unfolding. This is more than a scientific breakthrough. It's a wake-up call to our souls. It's a chance to feel connected to something vast, something eternal. The universe isn't just out there. It's here, in our solar system, in the air we breathe, in the meteors that light up our skies. We're living in a golden age of discovery, and this is just the beginning. So let's embrace it. Let's chase the unknown, ask the big questions, and never stop marveling at the wonders of the cosmos. Because if millions of interstellar objects are hiding in our solar system, who knows what else is waiting for us to find? The universe is calling. Are you ready to answer? Buckle up, because the universe just dropped a bombshell that'll make your jaw hit the floor. Millions, yes, millions of interstellar objects could be hiding in our solar system, skulking in the cosmic shadows like uninvited guests at a galactic party. These aren't your run-of-the-mill asteroids or comets born under our sun's watchful gaze. Oh no, these are rogue travelers born around alien stars, now crashing our celestial neighborhood. And the latest revelations from 2025's cutting-edge research, they're painting a picture so wild, so electrifying, it's like the universe itself is whispering secrets we're only now brave enough to hear. This is the kind of discovery that doesn't just spark curiosity, it ignites your soul. Picture our solar system as a vast, glittering stage, with the sun as the spotlight, and the planets dancing in perfect harmony. Now imagine millions of extras sneaking onto the scene, each one carrying a story from light years away. These interstellar objects, some as big as mountains, others as small as dust grains, aren't just floating aimlessly. They're time capsules, forged in the fiery crucibles of distant stars, flung into the void by cataclysmic collisions or the gravitational whims of alien worlds. And here's the kicker, they might be piling up in our solar system's attic, a region so remote and mysterious, it makes the dark side of the moon look like a tourist trap. What's got scientists buzzing in 2025 is a jaw-dropping new simulation, hot off the supercomputers, that's rewriting the rulebook on how we see our cosmic backyard. This isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about peering into the chaos of the galaxy and realizing we're part of a much bigger story. The simulation zooms in on a nearby star system, a dazzling trio of suns locked in a gravitational waltz. Those stars aren't just sitting pretty. They're cosmic cannons, blasting out debris like a fireworks show that's been running for billions of years. Some of that debris, the model says, gets a one-way ticket to our solar system, where it settles in like it owns the place. Here's where things get downright spine-tingling. The latest data suggests these interstellar interlopers could be way more common than anyone dared to dream. We're not talking about a handful of cosmic drifters. We're talking about a swarm, a veritable armada of objects that could outnumber the stars you see on a clear night. Some might be lurking in the Oort cloud, that enigmatic halo of ice and rock, so far from the sun it's practically in another zip code. Others could be weaving through the Kuiper belt, rubbing shoulders with Pluto and its icy cousins. And the wildest part? We're only now developing the tech to spot them, like explorers stumbling across a hidden continent in plain sight. Why does this hit so hard? Because it's not just about finding rocks in space, it's about cracking open the diary of the universe. Every one of these objects is a clue, a breadcrumb trail leading back to stars we'll never visit in our lifetimes. Some might carry minerals forged in the hearts of long-dead suns. Others could hold organic molecules, the building blocks of life itself. Imagine that, for a second, a comet from another star, drifting in our solar system, carrying the chemical seeds of worlds we can't even imagine. It's the kind of thought that makes your heart pound, your mind race, and your eyes dart to the night sky, wondering what's out there watching us back. And the stakes just got higher. In 2025, astronomers are buzzing about a new twist. These objects might not be random wanderers. Some could be trapped, caught in our solar system's gravitational net like flies in a spider's web. The models are spitting out numbers that make your head spin. Hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of these cosmic stowaways could be orbiting the sun, masquerading as homegrown comets or asteroids. It's like discovering your family tree has branches you never knew existed, stretching across the galaxy to stars that shone before Earth was even a twinkle in the universe's eye. Let's talk tech for a hot minute, because this is where the future gets seriously exciting. New observatories, slated to light up the skies in 2025 and beyond, are like cosmic detectives, armed with lenses so sharp they could spot a dime on the moon. These beasts are designed to hunt for faint glimmers in the outer solar system, where interstellar objects might be hiding. And then there's the space race angle. Missions are being sketched out to chase down these visitors, to snag samples and bring them back to Earth. Imagine holding a piece of another star system in your hands, knowing it traveled trillions of miles to reach you. It's not just science. It's a love letter from the cosmos. Now let's get real about the emotional gut punch this discovery delivers. This isn't just about equations or telescopes. It's about what it means to be human in a universe that keeps getting bigger, weirder, and more beautiful. Every interstellar object out there is a reminder that we're not the center of the story. We're players in a drama that spans billions of years, billions of stars, billions of possibilities. It's humbling, sure, but it's also liberating. It's like standing on a cliff, staring at an endless ocean, and realizing you're part of something so vast it defies comprehension. And yet, you belong to it. You're made of it. Here's a shocker to chew on. Some of these objects might be leaving their mark on Earth right now. The latest models hint that tiny fragments, micrometeors, from that triple star system could be raining down through our atmosphere, burning up as shooting stars before we even know they're there. Picture yourself lying on a blanket under the stars, watching a meteor shower, and realizing one of those streaks might be a visitor from another world. It's not just a light show, it's a cosmic handshake, a fleeting connection to a star system that's been shining since the universe was young. Doesn't that just make your heart skip a beat? And the plot thickens. Scientists are starting to wonder if these objects could tell us something about the galaxy's deep past. The triple star system next door isn't just any neighbor, it's a relic, a snapshot of what star systems looked like when the Milky Way was still figuring itself out. The stuff it's sending our way, it could be ancient, carrying clues about how stars form, how planets are born, maybe even how life gets its start. If we can catch one of these objects, study it, decode it, we might unlock secrets that have been buried for eons. It's like finding a library in the sky, and we're just learning how to read the books. Let's not sugarcoat it. This discovery is also a wake-up call. Our solar system isn't a fortress, it's a crossroads, a place where the galaxy's stories collide. That means we need to get better at spotting these objects, not just for science, but for survival. Sure, the odds of a big one hitting Earth are slim, but slim isn't zero. The 2025 models say we're safe for now, but they also say we've been blissfully ignorant about how crowded our cosmic neighborhood might be. It's time to step up, to build the tools, to ask the questions, to prepare for a future where the universe doesn't play by our rules. Yet there's something undeniably hopeful about all this. Every interstellar object is a chance to learn, to grow, to reach beyond our tiny blue dot. It's a reminder that the universe is messy, unpredictable, and bursting with wonder. We're living in a moment where the impossible is becoming possible, where we can touch the stars, or at least their leftovers, without ever leaving home. And that's what makes this so thrilling. It's not just about what we've found, it's about what's still out there, waiting to surprise us, to challenge us, to make us feel alive in ways we never thought possible. So here we are, standing on the edge of 2025, staring into a universe that's suddenly a lot closer, a lot wilder, a lot more personal. Millions of interstellar objects could be out there, hiding in plain sight, each one a piece of a puzzle we're only beginning to solve. They're calling to us, daring us to find them, to listen to their stories, to write the next chapter of our own. The galaxy is alive, and it's talking. All we have to do is keep looking up, keep dreaming, and never ever stop chasing the truth. Because if the universe is this full of surprises, what's next? That's the question that'll keep you awake tonight. And it's the most beautiful question of all.